Are you ready to elevate your skills and transform your practice? Join us in the heart of Sarasota, Florida for a one-of-a-kind dental seminar, Mastering Porcelain Veneers, a complete hands-on experience from preparation to cementation. This seminar is designed for general dentists who want to stay ahead of the curve in aesthetic dentistry. You'll gain hands-on experience in porcelain veneer preparation, temporization, and cementation techniques that will transform the way you approach aesthetic restorative dentistry. Learn to master advanced preparation techniques, achieve flawless scans or impressions, and bond porcelain veneers with confidence. You will have individual attention and practical exercises. You'll develop the skills to provide your patients with life-changing smile transformations. And when the seminar ends, the experience continues. Explore beautiful downtown Sarasota with its world-class dining, lively art scene, and breathtaking beaches. It's the perfect blend of professional growth and personal relaxation. Experience top-tier dental education, all while enjoying the charm and beauty of Sarasota, one of Florida's most sought-after destinations. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Register today and make your next dental seminar an unforgettable experience in Sarasota.